guys, welcome to another video. So today's video, I'm doing a set of nails for the Nutty Nails Co collab, and the theme for this one is Carnival Nails. So the theme was chosen by Nails by MK, great choice chick. So you'll see there that I'm starting off by painting all 4 tips with a coat of Madam Glam's Perfect White. I'll show you me doing the first coat, and I'll do a second coat off camera. And these Madam Glam gel polishes cure in an LED lamp for 30 seconds. I am going to be using mainly Modelones products today, but I didn't have a Modelones white. There is a couple of Madam Glam products what I'm going to be using as well. So now I'm going to give all of the tips a coat of the Modelones No Wipe Shiny Top Coat. And I'm going to be going over these with a chrome powder, so that's why I'm using a No Wipe Shiny Top Coat. You wait till you see these nails chromed out, guys. My goodness, they're beautiful. So this is the chrome powder that I'm going to be using. Look at that colour shift, guys. It's got like a purpley blue UV colour shift. And it gives a really pretty effect over a white. The only thing I don't like is I don't like how it changes that white to a kind of yellow. I'm not keen on that. Yeah, I'm not keen on that yellowy colour. But I love that purpley effect when the light hits it. It's stunning. So I'm rubbing that into all of the nails apart from the middle nail. That one's going to be left plain white. Now I'm going over with the Modelones No Wipe Shiny Top Coat again. Because I weren't happy with that like yellowy colour, I've decided that I'm going to go over all them 3 nails again with another chrome powder. And I'm going to be using the Aimeili chrome powder, colour number 07. And again, look at the colour shift on this chrome powder, guys. It's got like a purple to a green. It's so pretty. Yeah, look at that. The two together is beautiful because you've still got that purple shining through as well. I really like the colour that turned out. So now I'm going to go over with the Modelones Matte Top Coat, and I'm going to matte top coat all of these nails now, even this white middle nail as well. Oh, look at what that looks like in matte. That is so pretty. I love it. And that's that white middle nail in matte. So I've matted this white middle nail out because I'm going to be doing some artwork on here. So I'm using the Madam Glam's black gel paint because I didn't have a black Modelones gel paint. And I'm going to be painting a face. So I shall let you get on and watch this bit, and I shall come back in when it's done.
Can't be nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She's luminous so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just be in your sun's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody. there's songs for you when you feel down and better. Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go.
So that's that all done. I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. So I've pulled out this feather silicone mould, and I'm going to be using the Modelones Gel Art Liners. Now these are out of the Neon collection. 024 is the pink, 021 is the neon yellow. I've already done some of these off camera, but I just wanted to show you me doing a couple. I'm going to scrape the excess off and then cure them in the lamp for 60 seconds. So they're all fully cured. Now we're going to pop them out and put them to one side, ready to stick to the nails. How cool are they? Look at the detail on them. I love them. So the ring finger and the pointer fingernail are going to have these feathers on. And I'm going to stick them to the nail using the Modelones Matte top coat. I probably should have used gem glue to do this. If I was doing it on like my nails, I probably would have used gem glue, because the matte top coat's not great for sticking things down. But because it's on tips, I'm just going to stick them into that uncured matte top coat. I'm only going to show you me doing the ring fingernail, guys, because the pointer finger is exactly the same, and I was a bit peed off with the pointer finger, to be honest, because the feathers are all the same way around. When I come to stick the feathers to the nail, they was pointing the opposite way, if you know what I mean. Like these are going arching upwards, where I had to have them arching downwards. It really annoyed me, so I didn't show that nail. You'll see what I mean at the end of the video when you see the full set. I'm just going to stick these last three down with nail glue, because I'd already cured that top coat. And that is the feather nail done. Now I'm going to go over this middle nail with the Modelones Matte top coat, and then before I cure that, I'm going to stick a Mardi Gras mask over her eyes like that, and a crown on her head. And then I shall pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds, and that'll be that nail done. So finally, we are now on to the pinky nail, and I'm going to be doing a crystal design using some neon crystals. I wasn't sure whether to show this nail or not on camera, because I think in my pictures I'm going to remove it because it looked a bit odd. But I've decided to leave it in, and I'll let you guys tell me what you think. There we are, guys. That's them all done. What do you think? I love how bright they are. It's been quite nice to do a really super bright set this time of year. I'm just a little bit peed off with those feathers being the wrong way round, but there's nothing I can do about that. I'm not sure about that pinky nail either. It looks a little bit lost on the end there, doesn't it? So I think I'm probably going to do away with that nail in my pictures, you know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments your thoughts. So like I said at the beginning, guys, these were for the Nutty Nails Co collab, the theme being Carnival Nails. Like I always do, I shall leave a list of everyone that's took part in my description box below, and I shall also pin a playlist in my comments as well. So everyone that's done videos, you can go over and check their videos out if you haven't already. Everything that I've used today, I shall leave listed in my description box, along with any discount codes that I've got. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.